Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't already, this one's going to be following on from our previous video on how to mine 𝐤𝐸 on your CPU. If you guys want to know how to set up T-Rex miner and mine all these different tokens, or if you want to know how to set up 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐞 and mine on your CPU, I'll put the links to my other videos in this description. This one we're just going to continue on, and we will show you how to mine Matic on your CPU. So once again, it's as simple as, guys, get to your CPU CMD. If you guys haven't got to this stage yet, please see my previous videos. Copy it and paste the CMD file. Once you've pasted the CMD file, just rename it Matic mining CPU. You don't have to name it that, you can name it whatever you want and edit it. Now, just like our previous video, guys, we're not touching anything that we've done at the front here. If you guys don't want to have to go through and work out and create a whole batch file, you can literally just copy this here. So copy all of that. Then all you want to do is tell it what coin you want to get paid out in and the address. So we're mining on a mineable, which will mine on Ethereum, 𝐥𝐸𝐤, whatever, or on your CPU it'll mine 𝐥𝐸𝐸. All you want to do is tell it that we want to get paid out in Matic. So when you comes along, it's mining 𝐥𝐸𝐸, come through here, we're telling it please pay me in Matic. Please pay the Matic to this address. Please call my worker gaming CPU so we know which one it is. And this here is my reference. You have that reference in there to try and reduce your fees. Your dashes after here in your threads is how many threads. So I like to try and run my CPU at 4 rather than the full 12, just so it doesn't overheat my CPU. And this is always, like the last video, is a little bit fickly, guys, so we'll close this and save it and we'll give it a shot. If it doesn't work, we'll try to remove a few things and change them, which it doesn't. So just like the last one, guys, it's a little bit fickly, so we'll get rid of the X entirely. We'll try that. There we go. So you guys can see that we've got our 2336 mega hash allocated. We got our 12 threads, and we're running on 4 threads. But huge pages, we're running 4 memory, 4 huge pages. Away we go. Accepted, and our new job. So accepted, that's our share. We've already got 1 share accepted. So if we go stats, you can see that we've got an accepted share. That's our difficulty for it, and that we've got 61.15% effort. Our average result time's 28.7 seconds. So S for results, C for connection. So if I press connection, you can see my connection here. My ping time is pretty brutal, but it is what it is. And then we've got our hash rate. So if you did want to see your hash rate, you can click that. But it should pop up. There we go. So you got your hash rate there. If you want to see what each thread's doing, you can click H and it'll show you all that. But that's mining now Matic on your CPU. That's as simple as it is. We're going to close that, and we've created a new CMD file. I might even add a second one onto this video just because it's a little bit short. So let's do Holo. So same thing, we're going to copy, we're going to paste, we're going to rename, and we're going to rename it Holo CPU mining. Same thing, guys, we're going to edit it. We're going to copy the hot and the address. We're going to copy the hot and the address. and we're going to close, and we're going to close, and we might have to mess with this again, but we're going to double open it. There we go, boom, didn't have to do anything. So we're now mining Holo. So you can see how it is so easy, once you've got all this set up, how easy it is to copy over to your XMR rig. We don't have to mess with too much, but you know, it's a bonus to get paid out in it. So alright, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.